What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best mechanics creeper on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Omega Lift Equipment Black Low Profile Z Creeper. Omega Lift Equipment Low Profile Z Creeper is designed to support users who need mobility and comfort while working in tight or low clearance spaces. The model number 91452 comes in black and weighs 27 pounds, offering a solid base that stays stable during use. Its body measures 40 inches in length, 26 inches in width, and slightly over 4 inches in height, making it compact yet supportive for various repair tasks. This creeper supports up to 450 pounds of weight, making it suitable for a wide range of body types and use situations. The padded cushion measures 39 inches long and 13 inches wide, giving the user a soft surface for extended periods without discomfort. The thick padding helps relieve pressure when lying in one position for long stretches. The creeper uses 6 swivel casters that move smoothly in multiple directions, allowing easy repositioning while working under vehicles or machinery. The wheels rotate freely, which helps reduce time spent adjusting positions manually. The strong structure and wheel setup make it efficient for garage work or automotive service needs. The frame is foldable, meaning it can switch between lying flat and sitting upright. This flexible setup lets the user work in both horizontal and seated positions without needing additional tools or adjustments. The foldable feature adds to comfort during tasks that require both overhead and forward-facing angles. This creeper is manufactured in China and continues to be available, not discontinued by the maker. Its low height, sturdy wheels, and soft cushion design support professionals and hobbyists who spend long hours under vehicles. The compact design makes it easy to store in a garage or workshop, while the overall construction ensures steady function during routine mechanical work or maintenance. In our list, the number 4 product name is Big Red Plastic Rolling Garage/Shop Creeper. Big Red TRP6240 Rolling Creeper is made for garage or workshop tasks where low ground clearance and steady support are important. This red mechanic cart is built using strong steel and molded plastic, combining durability with lightweight handling. It measures nearly 40 inches wide, over 18 inches deep, and a little above 5 inches tall, allowing it to slide under most vehicles with ease. The surface is shaped from a single molded plastic body, making it resistant to cracks or breaks during regular use. The frame supports mobility with 6 swivel casters that move in full circles, helping users shift direction without effort while working in tight spaces. These wheels allow steady movement over different floor surfaces. 2 trays are built into the side of the creeper to hold hand tools or small parts. This keeps items close and reduces the need to get up during work. The storage spaces are positioned within reach of both arms, adding convenience for tasks that need multiple tools. The headrest includes a soft padded section, offering neck and head support when lying flat. This helps reduce fatigue during long periods under vehicles. A shoulder cutout is designed into the body to relieve pressure on the upper body while staying in place. A carry handle placed on the bottom of the frame helps with lifting and moving the creeper between job sites. This handle also supports quick repositioning without bending or twisting. The red color makes it easy to spot in busy spaces like workshops or garages. Designed to handle routine maintenance under cars, trucks, or utility vehicles, this rolling creeper offers comfort and smooth control. Its stable structure and smart layout make it useful for both professional mechanics and home users. In our list, the number 3 product name is Vevor Mechanic Creeper. Vevor Z Creeper Seat is a useful garage tool designed to help with repair tasks that require either lying flat or sitting low. This model supports a maximum weight of 300 pounds and is built with a steel frame that keeps it stable during use. The product weighs 13 pounds and measures over 17 inches long, 16 inches wide, and around 14 inches high. It offers flexibility for both vehicle maintenance and workshop tasks. The creeper changes easily from a flat position to a low seat. This 2-in-1 function supports different repair needs, whether reaching under a car or working close to the ground without bending. The frame remains steady in both setups, helping reduce pressure on knees and back during long hours of work. 6 wheels are attached to the bottom, allowing full movement in any direction. The casters use ball-bearing construction, which helps them move over different floor types without slowing down or catching. Each caster measures just over 2 inches and is made to resist wear from regular use in shop environments. The seat is cushioned and covered with material that resists oil and water. This surface makes cleaning simple and prevents slipping during repairs. A padded headrest adds support when the frame is used in the flat position. The steel tubing is thick enough to handle repeated movement and body weight without bending or tilting. The ground clearance of the creeper is close to 3 inches, making it low enough to fit under most vehicles. It works well in garages and professional workshops where space under a car is limited. Designed for both comfort and movement, this creeper seat helps users stay in control while working in small or hard-to-reach areas without sacrificing comfort. In our list, the number 2 product name is Big Red Torin Rolling Garage/Shop Creeper. Big Red TR6452 Rolling Creeper is designed for garage and shop tasks that require a stable and padded platform. Built with strong steel tubing, this red mechanic cart supports up to 250 pounds and gives users comfort while working under vehicles. The creeper measures 40 inches in length, a little over 16 inches wide, and slightly more than 4 inches high, making it low enough for use under most types of cars or trucks. The top surface includes a padded cushion that covers the full bench length, supporting the back during long tasks. An adjustable headrest is also included, which allows changes in position to match different body heights or task needs. This headrest is cushioned as well, adding extra comfort while working in a flat position. The steel frame gives lasting strength, helping the creeper maintain shape and balance. Its heavy-duty design keeps the bench steady, even when moved across different work areas. The base of the creeper is equipped with 6 wheels that turn in every direction. These swivel casters help the user shift positions quickly and make the bench easy to move without lifting. The smooth movement of the wheels allows easy navigation on hard shop floors or in tight garage spaces. The compact size and easy mobility make this rolling cart a useful addition to any repair station, whether used by professionals or at-home users. The red color of the creeper makes it easy to locate in a busy workspace, and the low ground clearance helps users reach parts under the vehicle with less strain. Designed to balance support and movement, this model suits jobs that require both comfort and flexibility during underbody inspection, part replacement, or engine maintenance. In our list, the number 1 product name is Sekam Mechanic Creeper. Sekam Mechanic Creeper is built for handling vehicle repair and undercar tasks with greater ease. Made from alloy steel, it supports a total weight of 300 pounds and uses a frame design that works for daily garage use. This creeper measures 36 inches long and includes 6 wheels that turn in every direction, making movement across the floor smooth while working under any vehicle. The frame is shaped to fold between two forms. It shifts from a flat layout to a seated position using a locking pin. This Z-style offers support for both lying and sitting tasks, helping users stay low to the ground while accessing hard-to-reach spaces. At just over 3 inches in height, this tool keeps the body close to the floor, which is useful when space is tight under cars or trucks. Its 6 wheels move like those on a standard rolling cart and give flexibility while shifting positions during repair. These casters roll well on typical workshop floors and allow the tool to slide easily while users stay focused on tasks such as tool use or part changes. The cushioned surface is made of material that holds up against oil and water. Both the seat and backrest use thick padding to support the body over long work hours. This soft surface helps reduce strain on the knees and spine, giving users more comfort during extended repair periods. The green color of the Creeper adds visibility in dim or busy garage areas. This garage roller provides smooth motion, a foldable frame, and solid structure that makes it a helpful support tool for working under or around cars. It fits well in home setups and shop environments and can make vehicle repairs feel less tiring and more controlled.